Hey guys, it's Coach Tim, Independent MMA. Today I want to go over the most important punch you can learn in self-defense, boxing and kickboxing. Any martial art you're going to learn that is striking, this is the most important one. And it's your jab. There's multiple ways to throw your jab. There's multiple ways to set up a jab. But the main reason your jab is most important, the reason the jab is your best punch, is if I'm working with tempo, it is literally my closest weapon to his closest target. So it's going to do multiple things. One, I can snap it in as defense if he steps in on me. I can put him on defense. I can step in, make it offensive, and it's super fast. I can, if he's got a really good guard, face the camera. If he's got a really good guard here, I can fire it up the middle, almost like a jeet or a jolt. So here, so I can come wide with a normal jab, up the middle with a jeet. So I've got multiple angles on it. So once you develop a really good jab, it sets up all your other punches. A lot of people start fights, especially in a self-defense scenario. The first thing they do is they want to load up with a right hand. They throw this ugly right hand. If it hits them, it's going to nail them, it's going to hurt them. But what I challenge you to think is the same motion it's going to take to draw back this right hand, it takes the same motion to fire my jab first. So my intention is to hit him in the mouth, in the nose, make that chin pop up, then I'm gonna follow it with a right hand. So instead of doing this, I'm going to do this. It's the same exact motion, except I get a setup punch that is faster. So real speed. And notice how I can't reach him here. I've got to step in. I don't want to fight him right here. Right here, we're brawling. When I'm punching, I want to be in. When I'm not, I'm going to be out. So I'm out, I can't reach him, he can't reach me. One step, as my left foot lands, that jab lands. So we're here. It allows me to get in super fast, very good combination. The second combination I'm going to share with you, hands up, I don't want any trouble when I'm setting up combinations, whatever I'm doing. But I'm gonna throw the jab high. Force his hands to come up. Boom. Okay, you don't like that. I'm dropping, eye level, and I'm gonna hit him in the sternum with a big right hand. So it's the same motion. It's here. Boom. Drop. Boom. As I hit him here, his hands are naturally gonna come down to defend his body. And then I'm coming up with a big hook. So to put that in motion, it's gonna be for the knockout punch. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.